Installing PUBG with high ping can be frustrating, but there are ways to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to optimize your setup for better performance. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable and fast internet connection. Use a wired connection if possible, as it tends to be more reliable than Wi-Fi. Run a speed test to confirm your download and upload speeds. Step 2. Close background applications. Before launching PUBG, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This will free up bandwidth and system resources, allowing the game to run more smoothly. Step 3. Optimize game settings. Adjust the in-game settings for better performance. Lower the graphics settings and resolution to reduce the load on your system, which can help improve your ping and overall gameplay experience. Step 4. Change server region. In the game settings, select a server region that is closer to your location. This can significantly reduce ping times and improve your connection quality while playing. Step 5. Use a VPN. If you're still experiencing high ping, consider using a VPN service. A VPN can help you connect to a server that may provide a better route to the game's servers, potentially lowering your ping. By following these steps, you should be able to enhance your gaming experience in PUBG. Remember to regularly check your connection and settings for optimal performance. Happy gaming!